with OpenVINO environment, you can see that it has doubled our speed. So previously we were getting around 4 to 5. Now it is around 9 to 10 frames per second, which is good, which is good in our case. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is the part 2 of our person detection video. So in our previous video, we discussed how we can detect persons in a video file. We wrote the code and it was working perfectly fine, but the problem we faced was it was working very slow. The FPS was really low. It was around 3 to 4 FPS only. Because it's very slow, so it's of no use and we can't simply work on that. So in this video, we will discuss how we can improve the FPS and eventually improving the efficiency of our code and then running our output video file very fast. So we can improve the FPS by initializing the OpenVINO environment. So if any one of you don't know about OpenVINO, I've already made a series about OpenVINO. So you can download OpenVINO from the Intel's website. So OpenVINO is a framework provided by Intel which works very fast, and you can initialize it depending upon the target hardware you have. For example, I'm using the CPU, so I can run it over CPU. If I have, like, let's say, a Mirai processor, I can run it on Mirai processor or any other processor like GPUs as well. So in our case, what we're going to do is that I have already installed OpenVINO. If you don't know how to install it, I will put a link to the video where I have explained how you can install OpenVINO in your Windows environment. And then what we'll do, we will initialize the OpenVINO environment, and from the OpenVINO environment, we will run our video file. So let's start. And what I'm going to do is that I am going to go in my project directory. I'm going to initialize the command prompt here. So this is my command prompt where I have not initialized the OpenVINO. Now if I run the code and let's see how much speed we are getting. So you can see that we are getting an FPS of around 3 to 4 only. This is without OpenVINO. Now let's go to our OpenVINO directory. Let's initialize the OpenVINO and then we'll see how our FPS is increasing. So this is my OpenVINO directory and this is the bin directory. I will use this batch file to initialize the environment. So I have opened the command prompt. I will run the command setup and this has initialized the environment. Now let's go to the directory where our let me copy the path to where this project is created and I will simply navigate to that. Great. So this is my great. So this command prompt I have initialized the OpenVINO, and this command prompt I have not initialized the OpenVINO. Now we saw without OpenVINO environment we are getting around 3 to 4 frames per second, but with in OpenVINO environment, let's see how much speed we are getting. So as you can see, with OpenVINO environment, we are getting around 9 to 10 frames per second. This is again really slow, but with OpenVINO environment, you can see that it has doubled our speed. So previously we were getting around 4 to 5. Now it is around 9 to 10 frames per second, which is good in our case. For now, this is fine. In our later videos, we will see how we can again improve the FPS a bit more. So this is where you can use the OpenVINO environment, speed up your process to speed up your inferencing and thus overall increasing the FPS count. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.